Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. We are Group 7. Our topic is about explain what is the meaning of the microbiota and the microbiomes and summarize their importance to humans. First of all, please allow me to introduce what is a microbiota. The microbiota is always be described as a community of the microorganisms themselves. Actually, the microbiota is a general term for the microorganisms that can be found in all the molecular organisms at a given time and in a given natural environment. Microbiota are the range of the microorganisms that may be commensal, symbiotic, or pathogenic found in and on all the molecular organisms, including the plants, the animals. The microbiotics, including the bacteria, aeria, protists, fungi, and viruses, and have been found to be crucial for the immunologic, humoral, and metabolic homeostasis of their host. In terms of the application, attention has been paid into the microbiota in the gut of animals. The presence of the microbiota in human and others organisms' guts has been critical to understanding the co-evolution between the organisms and bacteria. There's another similar term is the microbiomes.
Hi everyone, I'm Navya anak Theymudu, and today I'll be talking about microbiome. What is microbiome? Is it a new type of microorganism? Or type of bacteria? Or maybe microscope? No. You got it all wrong. Let me give you a scenario before I further explain about microbiome. Okay, now let's imagine a busy city on the weekday morning. The sideway of the city flooded with people rushing to get to their work. Now, picture this at a microscopic level and you have an idea of what the microbiome looks like. A microbiome is a community of organisms living together in a particular habitat. It's like a complex ecosystem of microscopic life forms. All human, animal, and plants have their own unique microbiome. Same goes with environments such as soils and oceans. Do you know that it is estimated that 100 trillion microbes make up the human microbiome? Isn't that interesting? Additionally, microbiome does not only include bacteria. They do include fungi, parasites, and viruses too. The microbiome consists of microbes that are both helpful and potentially harmful. Although microbes are so small that they require a microscope to see them, they contribute in a big ways to human health and wellness. Most are symbiotic, which means both the human body and microbiota get benefits, and some in smaller numbers are pathogenic, which promote diseases. Moreover, the microbiome does not always seem to be the same. Environmental exposure and diet can change one's microbiome to either be beneficial to health or place at the greater risk for disease. I am sure now you have ideas roughly what is microbiota and microbiome. Now my other group members will present their importance to humans. That's all from me. Thank you.
The microbiomes are actually very important to us, especially in humans' development, humans' nutrition, and also humans' immunization. As you can see, the bacteria that are living inside our body are actually very helpful and they can be a beneficial colonizers to us. So, a lot of diseases such as diabetes and muscle dystrophy are caused by the dysfunction of microbiomes. So, what is actually happening? The thing that happens are when the microbiomes are malfunctioning, it will cause the change in the gene activity and also in the metabolic processes in the human's body. This will cause the abnormality in the autoimmune responses and it will cause the antibody to attack the normal cells and tissues inside our body. So, this will cause the patients to develop the microbiome diseases and this will cause the patient to be unhealthy. So, the things that are most scary is the microbiome diseases are not inherited by DNA, but they are actually inherited by the family's microbiome. So we need to take care of our microbiome system, and we need to stay healthy and take a lot of nutritions to prevent the microbiome's diseases. That is why microbiomes are very important to us, and we need to make sure that the systems are running systematically.
Hi, my name is Hadina Alya, and I will talk about the other importance of microbiota and microbiome for human. So, breastfeeding and the introduction of solid food can promote the diversity of the gut microbiota, and it is important for human in the aspect of nutrient metabolism. For example, the gut microbiota can ferment carbohydrate to produce short-chain fatty acid such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate. These three are rich energy sources for humans. Butyrate can stimulate the production of mucus in the gut, which helps with the immunity. Propionate is transported to the liver to regulate gluconeogenesis, which is the process of producing glucose from non-carbohydrate sources. Acetate helps in cholesterol metabolism and lipogenesis. The gut microbiota also affects lipid metabolism by suppressing the inhibition of lipoprotein lipase activity in adipocyte and improves the efficiency of lipid hydrolysis for lipid digestion. The gut microbiota also helps with proteinase and can convert the amino acid to antimicrobial peptide, which can be part of innate immune response. Lastly, the gut microbiota contribute to bile acid metabolism by deconjugating and dehydrating the primary bile acid and converting them into secondary bile acid. The secondary bile acid is used for the absorption of lipid, cholesterol, and fat-soluble vitamin.
Hi, my name is Alya, and I'm going to talk about the importance of microbiota and microbiome to humans. The first important thing is they help in developing innate and adaptive immune system in humans. This is due to the exposure to thousands and even millions of microorganisms since we were birthed. So over time, our immune system will train to distinguish between the harm pathogen that have a potential to cause a disease and a beneficial one. Other than that, they also help us increase our resistance to pathogens, since some of the microorganisms in our body are able to provide the pathogen colonization resistance, which is the ability to prevent expansion of potential pathogens in our body. So, with this ability, it allows the disposition of some pathogen within the microbiome itself, instead of relying on classical immune response from our body.